Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top tips and tricks on how to create these beautiful chrome nails and make them last. A lot of you have told me that you struggle with getting your chrome not to chip, so today I'm going to teach you exactly how I do it and how I get it to last. I also have these 5 new chromes from Magpie to share with you. So first, let's dive into the new colors as I show you what they look like. They're absolutely stunning, and then I'll show you guys exactly how I would apply them on a client. Most important things you're going to need for chrome nails is a no wipe gel top coat. It has to be a no wipe top coat, otherwise you won't get that beautiful chrome finish. So I am using the Magpie Don't Be Tacky, and I'm applying 1 layer over the entire nail, and I'm going to cure it for the full 60 seconds. Now to apply the chrome powder, I really am loving these wildflowers. They're called the world's greatest applicators. They're basically like an eyeshadow sponge, but they're really soft, and I find they just work so nicely for doing chrome. I just love applying the chrome with an eyeshadow stick. It just seems to go on so well, and I can easily use it if I want to ombre a chrome. So first, I'm just dipping in my eyeshadow stick, and then I am rubbing that chrome straight onto that cured no wipe top coat. So this top coat does not have a sticky layer. It's so amazing how it creates this beautiful chrome finish. And the first color that I'm showing here is called Anona, and it just is so gorgeous. So I just keep rubbing until it looks really nice and you have that beautiful chrome finish. Next, I use a really soft, fluffy brush just to fluff off any of that excess pigment, that excess chrome powder. If you have a lot of excess, it will actually make the chrome finish look more glittery than that chrome. So dust off any of the excess. Then this next step is really important. I use a file, and I file around the edges of the chrome. So if you're doing this on a client, this is how you're going to make it last. So file those edges. That way, when you put the top coat on top, that top coat has something to adhere to. So you have to remember that this top coat is really nice and smooth. So once you put the chrome powder on and you put a new layer of top coat, that top coat doesn't have anything to stick to because that no wipe top coat is so smooth. So we want to make sure and rough up that edge so that when we put our top coat on, that it actually has something to grip onto on the edges. Now my favorite top coats to use for chrome powder is the Light Elegance Super Shiny. If I'm doing a gel polish manicure, I will use the Magpie Give Me Strength and then a coat of the Magpie Don't Be Tacky. So now that I've filed those edges, one more thing that you can do to ensure that it doesn't chip is put a little bit of sticky primer, non-acid primer, right on those edges before you go in and top coat. So here I'm just using my top coat now, and I'm gonna go over the entire nail, making sure to cap those edges again so that you make sure that top coat has something to grip onto. So you want to go over those edges that we just filed, and I'm going to cure this and then do a second coat of top coat. So I always top coat twice over top of chrome. Again, if I am doing just a gel polish manicure, I'll use the Magpie Give Me Strength and then the coat of the Magpie Don't Be Tacky. Now these chromes are so cool because they look totally different if you apply it over a black or a darker color versus a lighter color. So I'm going to show you this exact same chrome applied over black, and you can see how much different it looks. Now it looks more red, green, gold colors. It looks so much different than applied over the lighter color. So I'm going to show you guys again exactly how I do it just to make sure that it would last if this was a real client. So again, I'm using that eyeshadow applicator, and I'm just rubbing that chrome onto the cured no wipe top coat, and then I'm going to make sure and file those edges. Then I'm going to dust off that extra with a nice fluffy brush, use a little bit of non-acid sticky primer on the edges, and then top coat twice. And that is how I get my chrome to last without chipping. So here's what the Anona Chrome looks like over white and over black. It's absolutely stunning, and it looks totally different depending on the color that you put it over top. So now I decided I'm gonna swatch the remaining 4 chromes for you guys so you can see what they look like over the white and the black. So here's all the chrome swatched over white and black. Which one is your guys' favorite? I absolutely love Anona and Jenny, and I love Cinead over the black. I think it looks so stunning, that really pretty pearl blue color. So those are my tips and tricks on how to get your chrome to last. I know it can be kind of finicky, and I also try to remind my clients as well that our nails are not indestructible. So if you pick at things and you use your nails as tools, you are more likely gonna cause chipping and different things like that. So always let them know, your nails are an investment, so don't treat them like tools. One more thing I wanted to mention as well is there are so many other different types of chromes out there. There's solid colored chromes, holographic chromes, iridescent, duochrome. There's chromes with flakes in them. So many different options. I love keeping my Magpie chromes in this lipstick holder that I found on Amazon. It works absolutely perfect to keep them nice and organized in my drawer. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out with how to apply your chrome powders and make them last. So don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video.